Does this look like a normal gaming chair to you? It's more than that. If your kid, waifu or husbando keep bugging you to get a pet, maybe you should check these out instead.
You don't wanna get that cat. All it does is poop and scratch. I know you wanna pet that bunny. No, honey, you'll make a mess. Take a look at KittyPuff with all that fluff. BunnyBliss without the piss. You can train a Pikachu, but you can own a creature who is super low maintenance and still equally as cute. Sit. See? It even listens to commands. So obedient.
Honestly, when TTRacing sent these over for this review, I had a little what the moment. Oh yeah, these are review units, but as usual, we do reserve our right to an unbiased opinion. But if you want to tap out one for yourself, then feel free to check out the links in the description. Okay, as I was saying, I had a whoa, look what the cat dragged in moment when I first saw these. But as they sit waiting in the corridor for me to give them a pet, I noticed that every single person that came into the office can't help but to be drawn to them. Kind of like how people react when they see that you have a cute cat or dog, you know? If you want something that looks different than your average office or gaming chair, then these would do the job for sure. The KittyPuff comes in black and pink, like that black-pink Venom, and that BunnyBliss comes in turquoise and white. One naughty, one nice, which is which, you decide. These are upholstered with a soft and breathable material that TTRacing says is a linen fabric, but to me it feels more blended, which gives it a little stretchiness. You'll also find faux fur accents and detachable accessories that add some kawaii-ness to the chairs. KittyPuff comes with cat ears that you can clip to your hair and a tail that you can velcro on. Fun fact, these chairs are made with a fabric that will allow you to stick on whatever velcro patch you want to add some of your own personality to them, or alternatively, brand logos will work too. BunnyBliss, which is the one I prefer because I just had a little bunny, comes with bunny ears that you can pop onto your head when you get a huge donation during stream, and a tail that clips on via a button at the back. I think that a lot of content creators or just people who like cute things would get behind something like this. They'll help add some eye candy to your setup without being too garish. Nice. Build quality is nothing to shout about, to be expected for the price. The frame, arms and base are all nylon, which is stronger and more durable than you'd expect actually. In fact, they have beefed up the armrest from the Duo V3, and this fabric upholstery should also last longer than PU leather because it won't crack. But you should probably still give them that good old wet wipe every now and again because of those lighter pastel colors. The only complaint I have would be the casters, which gave me a little more resistance than I'd like. Comfort-wise, it's aight. The foam is quite firm. So as you break it in, your butt is not going to sink so low as to kiss the bottom of the frame or the underframe. As you can see, it's a smaller chair. See? Disappear already. So your average Malaysian will have no trouble using the headrest as an actual headrest and not just a hair rest. You know, because some of those chairs are so tall that you can only rest your hair on it and not your entire head. However, you do get very limited adjustability. You can go up, go down, and unlock the tilt to rock and self-soothe any daddy or mommy issues away. Though vertically challenged people will have shorter legs that disable this feature. Aww. The armrests are fixed, so you can't really get them out of the way, but they do feel pretty nice to the touch. I must note that while less small-sized individuals like yours truly did find this chair a little restrictive and firmer than we'd like, the general consensus from average and small-sized people is that it's comfy enough and maybe the occasional salad wouldn't hurt. Wow. Just wow. So both the KittyPuff and BunnyBliss chairs are priced at 529 ringgit, which is 100 ringgit more than the basic TTRacing Duo V4. I think they are pretty reasonably priced, and if you like these colors, 100 ringgit more is pretty fair for something that will level up the aesthetics of your setup, especially if you're going for a pink or turquoise theme. The optional add-on matching KittyPaw and Bunny Bites are available for 99 ringgit each if you buy them with the chairs. You can use them as lumbar pillows or even arm warmers because you can just stick your hands into this. You know, if you're one of those people that like to run your aircon at 16 degrees all year round, this will be good for your girlfriend who sits next to you. See? Thoughtful this kind of boyfriend. where to find? Not boyfriend, husbando already. To recap, here are the pros, mass and cons of the TTRacing Duo V4 KittyPuff and BunnyBliss. Overall, for the price, I think that these chairs are pretty decent. Though, like most foam, it will soften over time. And speaking from experience, those cheaper, affordable chairs with softer foams will degrade faster, and pretty soon your butt will be kissing bare metal. So just give them a try and give them a buy, or buy both so that your butt can sit on both sides. Jokes aside, they are pretty nice if you like the colors and want to add some cuteness into your life. I think these are not just for young people. Uncles and aunties like cute things too. If not, why your mother keep bugging you to give her a grandchild? And that is everything I have to say about the TTRacing Duo V4 KittyPuff and BunnyBliss. If you thought this video was helpful, don't forget to give it a like and share. And then don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that notification bell to see more content like this. And follow us on Facebook, TikTok and Instagram to see more shenanigans from the Wild House crew. Again, my name is Bangsawan Shane, and I will see you, you know when, in the next one.